Hello guys, let's start our lesson about multiplying and dividing powers of 10. First of all, we have some rules to multiply by 10 or by 100 or by 1000. If I have any number times 10 or 100 or 1000, first I will move the decimal point to the right. If I make the number multiplying by 10, I will move the decimal point one place to the right. 100, so I will move the decimal point 2 places to the right. If I want to make multiplying by 1000, I will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Now, if I want to multiply any number by 0.1 or 0.01 or 0.001, it is different. I will move the decimal point to the left. I call 0.1 and 0.01 and 0.001. It's a crazy decimals. They are moving to the opposite. If I make the number multiply by 0.1, I'm moving to the left one place. If I want to make multiply in a number times 0.01, I will move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 0.001, I will move the decimal point to the left 3 places. Now, let's talk about the division. If I want to make any number divided by 10 or by 100 or by 1000, that means I'm moving the decimal point to the left. Here, if I have divided by 10, I will move to the left just one place. If I want to make division here, any number divided by 100, I will move the decimal point 2 places to the left. If I want to divide by 1000, I will move the decimal point 3 places to the left. Let's talk about the crazy decimals. If I want to make divided by 0.1, this is a crazy, so I will move the decimal point to the right one place. If I want to divide any number by 0.01, this is a crazy number, so I will move it to the right, to the opposite. Now, if I want to make divided by 0.001, I will also move the decimal point to the right, but to the 3 places. That means if I make any number times 0.1, as I make divided by 10. If I make any number times 0.01 means as I make divided by 100. If I want to make times 0.001, that means like divided by 1000. And also in the division, if I make divided by 10, this is means times 0.1. If I want to make divided by 100, that's mean like times 0.01. If I want to make any number divided by 1000, this is means times 0.001. Let's solve some exercises. If I have here 39 times 10, this is a normal. So any number times 10, I'm going to write the same number and add 1 0. If I have 39 times 100, that means the same number and add 2 zeros. 39 times 1000, the answer is the same number, 39 and 3 zeros. Let's see if I make 39 times 0.1. It's crazy. So this is like divided 10. As we said that divided moving to the left. Where is the decimal point here? If there is no decimal point in the number, so I'm going to put the decimal point at the end. So let's move to the left one place. So it will be 3.9. And the next here, 39 times 0.01. This is a crazy. It's like divided by 100. So do you see here any decimal point? No. So I'm going to put the decimal point at the end. And let's move to the left 2 places, 1 and 2. So the answer is 0.39. The next, 39 times 0.001. It's a crazy number. So let's make divided by 1000. So let's see. Do you see here decimal? I'm gonna put it at the end. If there is no decimal, I will put it at the end. And let's move to the left 3 places. 1, 2, 3. And then I put a decimal point. So here, an empty place, I will replace it by 0. So the answer is 0.039. Let's see the next example. 75.42 times 10. Times here, it's a normal. That's mean I'm moving to the right. Let's see the decimal. Here, between 5 and 4, let's moving one place to the right. So it will be 754.2. The next, here we have the same number, 75.42 times 100. This is a normal, so I will move to the right 2 places. So it will be 7,542. Let's see the next. 75.42 times 1000. Also, it's a normal, so I will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Here, an empty place, I will replace it by 0. So the answer is 75,420. Let's see the next. 75.42 times 0.1. Uh-oh, this is a crazy decimal. This means divided by 10. And any number divided by 10, I move the decimal point to the left. Here, divided 10, so I will move to the left 1 place. So it will be 7.542. The next, 75.42 times 0.01. This is a crazy decimal. This means divided by 100. As I know, divided by 100, I'm moving to the left. 2 places to the left, that's mean I'm moving 1, 2. So the answer will be 0.7542. The next, 75.42 times 0.001. This is also a crazy decimal. This mean divided by 1000. So I will move the decimal point 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Then I stop. Here an empty place. So I will replace it by 0. So the answer is 0.07542. Let's solve exercise 2. Here we have 32 divided by 10. This is a normal, so I will move the decimal point to the left. Here there is no decimal, so I will put the decimal point at the end. Then I will move to the left 1 place. So it will be 3.2. The next, we have here 5.7 divided by 0.1. Here, this is a crazy, so I will write above the number here times 10. So divided by 0.1 as times 10. And any number times 10, I'm moving the decimal point 1 place to the right, so it will be 57. Exercise C, 71 divided by 0.001. Here, this is a crazy, so this means as times 1000. Any number times 1000 equal the same number and put 3 zeros, so it will be 71,000. The next, 12.8 times 0.01. This is a crazy decimal, so this make the opposite as divided by 100. And any decimal number divided by 100, I'm moving the decimal point to the left 2 places. 1, 2. So the answer will be 0.128. The next, 7.36 times 0.1. Here, this is a crazy decimal, so this make the opposite, like divided 10. Divided by 10, so I will move the decimal point 1 place to the left. So it will be 0.736. Number F, the last one, 102.3 divided by 0.01. Here, this is a crazy decimal, so this is like times 100. So any number times 100, I'm moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. Let's move it 1 and 2. Here an empty place, so I will replace it by 0. So the answer will be 10,230. Exercise 3. Complete here the missing number. If we have 25.89 times what? Give me 258.9. What do you notice here? That the decimal point move one place to the right. So that means it's normal. So that means times 10. 4.321 times what? Give me 4,321. What do you see here? That the decimal point move to the right 3 places. So that means it's normal. So I will write times 1,000. Number C, what is the number that is multiplied by 2.54? Give me 0.254. What do you see here? That the decimal point move one place to the left. That means it's crazy to move to the left by multiplying sign here. One place to the left, that means 0.1. The next, 7.5 times what? Give me 750. Let's see the decimal point moving to the right 2 places. So this is a normal to multiply here the decimal point moving to the right 2 places. That means times 100. 2.63 times what? Give me 2,630. So let me see the decimal point move from between 2 and 6 and moving to the right 3 places and put here 0. 3 places to the right, that's mean times 1,000. 7,368 divided by what? Give me 73.68. Let me see here. Divided, that's mean I'm moving to the left. There is no decimal point. That's mean the decimal point at the end. So let's move 2 places to the left. That's mean divided by 100. The next, 9.8 divided by what? Give me 980. This is a divided. That's mean I'm moving to the left. What do you see here in the answer? That the decimal point moved to the opposite, to the right. That's mean I'm using the crazy decimal. Let me see. It moves to the right 2 places. So I will write divided by 0.01. H, 32.68 divided by what? Give me 0.03268. What do you see here? This is a divided sign. That means I'm moving to the left. Let me see. Yes, the decimal point moving to the left 1, 2, and 3. So that means divided by 1,000. What is the number divided by 0.01? Give me 567. Here we have a crazy decimal. That means as times 100. So let me see what is the number that I multiply by 100. Give me 567. That's mean I'm moving now to the left 2 places. So the number is 5.67. J, what is the number that is multiplied by 0.001? Give me 253. This is a crazy decimal. That means like divided by 1,000. So here, the number that is divided by 1,000 give me 253. That means I will make here times 1,000 to see the number. So it will be 253,000. The last one. What is the number that is divided by 100? Give me 2.5. Here, this is a normal. So, the number that I divided by 100, that means I'm moving 2 places to the left, is 250. So let me check. If I move 2 places to the left, it will be 2.5. Exercise 4. Complete each conversion. Then write multiplication equation and division equation with the same answer. Let's see the first example. 712 milliliter equal how many liter? As we know that the 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. And from the big unit to the small unit, I'm using times. And from the small unit to the big unit, I'm using divided. Now here, he put for me milliliter. I want to convert it into liter. As we said, from the small unit to the big unit, so I will make divided by 1000. Any number divided by 1000, I'm moving the decimal point to the left. Here there is no decimal point, so I'm gonna put the decimal point at the end. Then I move to the left 3 places, so it will be 0.712. Here I want to write the same answer, 712. Here he put for me times, so let me use the crazy decimal. The crazy decimal here, if I write 712 times 0.001, the same if I said divided by 1000, so it will give me the same answer, 0.712. And if he put for me divided, so I'm gonna write as I said here in the beginning, divided by 1000 give me 0.712. In the next, here we have 73.5 kilogram equal how many grams? Now the 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram, and from the big unit to the small unit I'm gonna use times 1000. So let me move the decimal point 3 places to the right, 1, 2, 3. Here 2 empty places, so I'm gonna put 2 zeros. So the answer is 73,500. Let's write here, he put for me times, so I'm gonna write times 1000 as I said now. So it will give me the same answer, 73,500. Here he wants here to change the sign into divided, and the question is the same, 73.5. That means I will use the crazy decimal that make everything opposite. So here I will use divided by 0.001 because that's mean 0.001 as I said multiply by 1000, the same meaning. So it will give me the same also answer. Number C, 23 meter equal how many centimeter? Here we know that the 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. So if I have 23 meter equal times 100, so it will be 2300. So I'm gonna write here, he put for me the multiply sign, so I will write the same, times 100 give me 2300. Here in the last, he changed it for me the sign and he wanted the same answer. So let me use the crazy decimal. As I said, times 100 is like divided by 0.01, the same meaning, and it will give me also the same answer. Here, as we know that the 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters, so if I have here 125 liter, I will multiply by 1000. So the answer will be 125,000. Now he put for me multiplying. So I will write times 1000 give me 125,000. In the last, he changed it for me the sign. So I'm gonna use the crazy decimal. That's also the same answer. So multiply by 1000 means divided by 0.001, and it will give me the same answer, 125,000. Exercise 5. The price of one chocolate bar is 5.25 LE. Find the price of 100 bar of chocolate. So I'm gonna write 5.25 times 100. So here it's a normal, so I will make times 100. Let's move the decimal point 2 places to the right, 1 and 2. So the answer will be 525 LE. Exercise 6. 2.5 liters of juice wanted to be poured into glasses of capacity 250 milliliter. Find the number of needed glasses. First of all, we have two different units. Here we have 2.5 liter. I want to pour it into glasses of capacity 250 milliliter. So I'm gonna write that 2.5 liter, I will convert it into milliliter. As we know that 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So I will write times 1000. Here a decimal number, so I will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, and the 2 empty places I will replace them by 2 zeros. So the answer will be 2500. Now let's write 2500. I want to divide it by 250. So here 2500 divided 250, it will be 10 glasses. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the video.